like to think of the APP method, APP, awareness, pause, and practice. Do you in your everyday life use words such as like, if you do use those words on a daily basis, do those words translate or flow into your professional life? If so, they're taking away from your professional demeanor. So it's really important you become aware, record yourself, or ask a friend, or just take a moment to listen to yourself talk and say, "Oh, I'm saying like, or a lot." Secondly, start to pause. It's the same thing as speaking faster or slower. Be comfortable in the silence. Take a pause to notice that you really want to say a filler word, but you don't need to. And finally, practice. Get that camera out again. Record yourself speaking for 30 to 60 seconds and notice as you're speaking, are there words that are just not necessary? Slowly over time, you can reduce or, in fact, eliminate all those unnecessary words.